Fakria is eating. And this one, Wahabi, I'm giving her. I'm giving him. I think he's a male. I'm giving him, but he's not eating, Wahabi. I give him there. See? Now the kitten came. See, Wahabi, the kitten came. And this one, I put that food for them, for this. Okay? And even that big, that one. But they're not eating, Wahabi. See? They leave that kitten eat. Okay. And Fakria is here. Fakria is here. I put this food. They might come later and they can eat. Okay? This one, Wahabi, not eating. See? But kitten is here. So you have two kittens now. It is there at the back. Yeah, two kittens are here, Wahabi. And this one, the sick one, not eating, Wahabi. I keep that food for him. But he didn't eat. He didn't eat. Come on, eat. And then that kittens are here, Wahabi. This is what you want. This is what you're searching. Okay, and this Fakria is here. Fakria, yala, you eat Fakria. Fakria is here. Okay. And Fakria is not around. Maybe tomorrow. I'm not coming again later. So 9. So enough. Okay. Yeah, eating well. They keep running. I don't know why. They will eat later. They will come. I think she's coming. Okay, you eat. Come here, come. Come here. They're looking. He's looking for Fakria. Fakria, you eat, huh? Leave them to eat, Fakria. Fakria is busy eating. And then, look, Wabi. Come here, Yala, come. And not make a move. Okay. Come on. Come on here, kitty. Kitty, Yala. Okay. Okay. Is not around, but it's okay. They're not willing to eat, Wahabi. This one, see, I give this. I give that food for this, but no. Maybe she will eat later.